Managing your network on LinkedIn does mean occasionally you will add and remove connections. You should probably be adding more connections than removing them, but sometimes it happens. So let's look at how to remove someone from your network. First, you want to be logged in. You can then click on My Network, icon of the two little people here. This will take you to where your connections are. Then click on Connections. Now, once you're here, you can scroll down to your connections. It will have your connections listed based on who you've most recently added. You can also sort it by their first or last name, or you can search by name. And then when you're ready, when you find the person that you do want to delete, you can click on the little three dots here and press Remove Connection. So it's right next to Message, Remove Connection. And then you can do that with as many people as you want to remove from your network. And that is how to remove someone from your network on LinkedIn. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a like and also consider subscribing to the How to Livable channel. Thank you.